Okay, we are gonna make a quick video on this super awesome busy board that we just got. This is what it looks like. It does take 2 AAA batteries. They're easy to install. Just take this screw out right here, put them in, put the screw back on. This is so cool. I love all the switches that it has. It's really good for dexterity, but it's also really good for pretend. So we pretend like we're on an airplane or doing cool stuff. So we think this is awesome, definitely worth it, and totally would recommend, right?
Yes.
Yes.